having us here at Barangay Suarez Gymnasium. Mga ka-GBL, this is gonna be an explosive match because one game lang, mahibala na nato kung kinsa ang third place sa GBL Season 1. Once again, this is between Sultans Cafe RX and Ares Iligan XD Wonder Tech. Okay? So one game lang ang fighting for third and the finals will be at best of 3. Of course, the finals is going to be against a battle between Rayela Trabunco and Bajams Basketball. So this is going to be the program for tonight's ball game. First, dulang ang fighting for third. Sa halftime natin mga padula na ipag-giveaways ang atong official merchandise partner which is si 4G Sports Activewear. And of course, after sa first game nato, ato nang i-announce atong mga awards, mga season MVP, mga defensive player of the year, etc., etc. And after that, GBL Season 1 finals will start moments after. Okay? So once again mga ka-GBL, kung nakatutok mo sa Facebook live karon or sa YouTube live, please share our live para mas daghan makita na sa mga tao. Kung asa man sila lapit sa kalibutan, makakita sila sa atong GBL Season 1 karon. Okay? So once again, mga ka-GBL, what time is it? It's game time!
Mahulog ya. Gawa na. Mahulog ba?
Anong kami ba yun? Anong kami na ba? Kaya? Ha? Tayo. Ito ba kayo dyan? Ito lang. Sabi ko, ito na ito naman.
All right. Inviting all the GBL nga napasagawas, please find your seats so that you can have the best seats on the house. Moments from now, we're going to be starting our first game between Ares XD Wonder Tech versus Sultans Cafe RX. Lisod kayo ni i-predict mga ka-GBL kung kinsay mo daog aning duha ka teams, okay? Kay dili sila kompleto. First of all, sa Sultans Cafe RX, wala si Kapangpangan. Wala si Tata Arumpak. Yes, kasi pa wala. Murag dagan-dagan wala sa ilaha. Sa diri sa Sultans Cafe RX. No? And diri pod sa Kwanpod, sa Ares Iligan, dagan po wala sila. Wala ilang star player nga si Alcantara. Yes. Wow. So dapat yapon nila ni Daugon. Kay grabe ni kay importante nga laban, guys. You know why? 20,000 pesos is on the line for this game. No? 20,000 pesos. Actually, correction guys. Naada lang star player which is si Alcantara sa Ares XD Wonder Tech. Naada, he is present. Alcantara is a big rebounder, a great defender, and also a good basketball player, di ba? May siyang scoring pod. So yes, this is gonna be a ball game. This is gonna be a crucial match. I cannot tell. Dili ko ka-predict mga ka-GBL. Kinsay, what I think is gonna be the winner of this game. Okay? Both teams, kani sila bay, they want redemption talaga. They want redemption coming from a loss. That's why nasa diri karon sa fighting for third. Now they will have to do whatever it takes to win this ball game because one game lang mahibala na nato kung kinsa ang GBL Season 1 third place. Okay? Once again, 20,000 pesos is on the line. Tako Japon eh. Bisag fighting for third lang. Tako gyapon kayo. Right? 20,000 pesos. Meanwhile, ang wala po day sa Ares XD WonderTech is ang ilang sentro na si Villaver. Wala siya. Villaver is also a great defender. Also a big key factor dyan sa ilalim. So, yeah. It would have been better if na si Villaver and also for Sultan's KPRX. It would have been better po og na ilang key player na si Nasnor Kapangpangan. Okay? Yes, after this ball game, there will be an awarding, okay? Mag-award ta kung kinsa tong mga defensive player of the game of the season, kinsa tong season MVP, Mythical 5, and so on and so forth. And of course, Macarao, Arabe, Miraato, Nacional, Palawan, Pangoga, Putawan, Tata, and of course, your head coach, Coach Emong Sayas. Representing Barangay Villaver, we have Ares XD WonderTech, we have Aban, Alcantara, Arnoco, Balasita, Baloas, Castro, Diquere, Ferrares, Limbaga, Nies, Oberes, Sabubu, Sandoy, Villaver, and of course, your head coach, Coach Nene Nabong. This is your King Belmonte starting lineup for Sultan's Cafe RX. We have guard Calbe, guard Miraato, power forward Dimasimpan, small forward we have Palawan, and of course your man in the middle, Mr. Andur. And of course, your King Belmonte starting lineup for Ares XD WonderTech. We have guard Arnoco, guard Balseta, small forward Diquere, power forward we have Alcantara, and of course, your man in the middle, Villaver. Of course, they will have a slight adjustment kay mga absent na mga players karon, right? Wala si Villaver, wala si Kapangpangan. And yeah, I think wala po si Haji Musa sa Sultan's Cafe RX. I don't see him around. Haji Musa, the very fast point guard, the very explosive point guard of Sultan's Cafe RX. So we really cannot tell kung kinsay mo daog aning fighting for third ato karon. Basta all I can say, this is going to be a crucial match because the winner will go home with 20,000 pesos on their pocket, and the fourth place will win absolutely nothing. Right? Grabe guys. The pressure is real. 20,000 to nothing. Right? So grabe gani siya guys. And each team will still play at their best, even though that this is only a fighting for third. Now we will see. Tanaw to karon guys. Kung si outcome ani nga dula guys. It's very interesting yun kay both teams. Kulang sila tungkol sa mga responsibilities, mga duties sa ilang players. Of course, di ba? Kung maganda itong unahon guys kay, basketball is not the center of our lives, but our responsibility, especially for our families. Of course, big shout out to our league bearer. We have Mayor Frederick Shao, Celso Liganon, and of course, we have your co-league bearer, Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy. Iligan, we can do it. And of course, gusto po na ko i-shout out atong mga co-sponsors. We have Councilor King Belmonte and Councilor Derek Shao. Yes. Shout out din natin ang mga official official content creators natin sa GBL Season 1. We have Sakuragi number 10. And of course, we have I Love Joanna. And of course, sa uban diyang awan ako na-mention, shout out sa inyo ha. Thank you so much for being with us right now. Thank you so much mga ka-GBL sa support sa mga naadiri karon sa gymnasium. Of course, kato nasa gawas, please do find your seats. Kay this is gonna be a really explosive match. I recommend you nga mangita na mo best seat on the house. I-plaster ninyo mga kaugalingon guys kay moments from now, we are gonna be starting our first game, which is the GBL first ever Fighting for Third. Once again mga ka-GBL ha, one game lang ang fighting for third. And ang fighting for champion is best of 3. Alright? Best of 3 na siya. So after this evening, after this tonight's ball game, there's gonna be a one game lang between Bajams Basketball and Rayela Trabungo. Right? So kinsa man inyong play, kinsa may tan-aw ninyo mga ka-GBL na mudaog ani nga match? Comment lang in the comment section down below. And of course, we'll give a shout out to Sean Rex. How Jan, go Golden State Warriors for the win. Oy, what may Golden State Warriors today? And of course, na si Kuan, si Albi Maris. Thank you so much for mentioning your team, your friend Jervin Halili, who is absent right now. My partner, the voice of the GBL. Sir Jervin Halili, amping bro. Sayang kayo wala kasi imong home barangay karon. It would have been better good og naa si Mr. Jervin Halili, of course, the voice of the GBL. Amping for me and get well soon, brother. Regards kong Mikay. Yes. Rebound sa imo Sir Jervina. Michael Roa, shout out Roa Family Dol. Salaparan, Linamon, Lanao del Norte, of course, shout out to you. Please share our Facebook Live and of course our YouTube Live. And of course, shout out din kay Sean Rex Albian. Boss, pa-shout out Howdian family. Go Golden State Warriors. Wow. Golden State Warriors parihata. So friends. Ayan, Casey Nicole Balsita kanindot sa gym. Yes. Nindot jud kayo ang Suarez Barangay Gym. So big shout out sa ato ang wait a minute. Sa nagpasimuno sa pagpadula nato diri sa GBL sa Suarez Gymnasium, which is si SK Chairman Honorable Ryan Maghanoy, and of course Barangay Kapitan Rosel Abrero. Thank you so much sa inyo ha, for assisting us here in the Suarez Barangay Gym. Once again mga ka-GBL, this is the first ever GBL Season 1 Fighting for Third and Fighting for Championship. All right. Of course, as you can see, Commissioner is having the final briefing before we start our first game. Yan. Tanaw na tanig itong mga viewers sa Facebook, no? Yeah, shout out sa atong 175,000 viewers for our Facebook. Of course, ano naman, comment na po. Rex, the second shout out from Sudan. Rex, the Black Parade, members of Black Parade. Mike Daligdig, pa-shout out kay Jay Abitago. Mars Makalyat, sorry. Paliho ko ipapauli di Eduardo Herunggay kay gipangita na siya sa iya mama kay mga na. Kuyawa, no? Nakalimot ng kaon kay naadri ka sa GBL. May na lang kay nasa GBL kaysa kung asa man ang naglaglag. Shout out ko kay Miko adto na gym. Yes. Sir Jervin Lili, walto na sa gym karong taon-taon. Shout out Dol Elizabeth Tariano Liaban. Lucky B, Mamaw, shout out kay Aljo ng Tubod. Mike Dalig, shout out daw kay J.M. Butago, boss. Yan. Oy, Jopay, Kabasag, Barulan. Mikoy Guapo, of course. Basta si Mikoy Guapo, gina. Right? Di na ko mabasa tanan. Okay, we are about to start. As you can see in the middle, we have our men in the middle. Mr. Alcantara and Di Masimpan. Ayan! Mga GBL, what time is it? It's game time! Uy, ang kamera ginuko. Yeah, awards. Bay, anything but not the cameras and the laptops kay dako kay Ningkwan. Gasto. Sorry. Ayan. So Arnoco has the ball. Arnoco looking for an open man. Pinasa kay Oberes. Nakita si Arnoco. Arnoco sa ilalim to Balsita. Balsita lost it. Pero same ball pa rin. Ayan, 11 seconds to shoot. Here comes Dikere. Dikere tumirap. Blocked by Di Masimpan. Wow! No good yung reverse. Di Alcantara, nakuha ni Di Masimpan. Pinasa kay Miraato. Miraato to Andor. Uses his height. Taking advantage of the smaller defender Balsita. 2 points for Mr. Andor. Here comes Oberes na naman. The very effective team owner of Ares XD WonderTech. Oy! Malapit yun. A fade away from Alcantara for 2 points. And both teams is now in the board. Alcantara tinapek sa labas. Bola Sultans Cafe RX. Yan, Kyle Alferez Lozano. Shout out sa greatest GBL shooter of all time, Kane Ramil. Yan, nakashot na po si ano. Sino yun? Hindi ko nakita yun. Anyways. Ayan, Oberes dribbling the ball. Wow! Nice steal by Adnan. Adnan, nagmamadali. Gitutukan si Alcantara. Pero sayang. Na short yung layup. Deflected. Nakuha ni Oberes. Here comes Dikere sa ilalim. Counted. Calbe looking for open man. Nakita si Andor sa ilalim. Too tall! Walang makapigil kay Andor sa ilalim. Wow! Wala si Brian Villaver to stop him. So this is gonna be interesting for Sultans Cafe RX. I think they're gonna take advantage of that. So how is Ares XD gonna stop Andor sa ilalim? Let's find out. Alcantara. No good. Di Masimpan. Fast break to Calbe. Calbe ang iisa. Wide open. Easy layup. 2 points. Counted for Mr. Calbe. Steal na naman. Nako. Adnan. Binadihan si Balsita. And the lefty. Counted. (11-4) in favor of Sultans Cafe RX. No, 11-4, 11-4, bali. 11 ang Sultans. Laban ang Sultans. Ano, bali oh. Dikere for 3 points short. Nakuha ni Miraato. Nakita si Di Masimpan. Back to Miraato for 2 points. Ang ganda ng ball movement ng Sultans Cafe RX. Forcing Ares XD WonderTech for a timeout. Yeah, 30 na. 30 na ang Sultans. 30 na ang Sultans. Ayan, mga ka-GBL, as you can see, wala ginigitipid ang GBL. Natay mga drones, natay mga high HD na mga cameras just for you. Para maka-provide the best quality live streaming not only in Iligan City but worldwide. Alright? Shout out sa mga viewers nato diha. International. Pwede mo comment kung asa mo dapit nagtanaw sa kalibutan. I-comment asa mo dapit. Naisa din si Rex Sagpang. Sudan daw kuno siya. Nagtanaw sa Sudan. Rex Sagpang, shout out to you. Watching from Sudan. Right, back to the ball game tayo mga GBL. We have Oberes, the court general of Ares, XD Wondertech. Pinasa kay Alcantara. Pinasa kay Arnoco. Nakuha ni Andur. Fast break to Adnan. Adnan, oops, nabuyan. Nakuha ni Oberes. Nagmamalis Oberes taking advantage sa kulang na Sultan's Cafe X. No good yung putback ni Basita. Big rebound for Calbe. Calbe, what is he gonna do? Lumayap sa gitna. No good. Adnan with a big rebound. Pinalihan si Dikere. Napalakan. Wow, traveling violation ang inabot. A great display of defense doon sa RS XD Wonder Tech. But so far, labaw pa rin ang Sultan's Cafe RX 13-4. This is a 9-point game. Ball movement. Oy! Ganda na sana yung ball movement ng ng RS XD Wonder Tech. Pero short yung tira ni Dikere. Alright. Privilege Arrows decision. Bula Sultan's Cafe RX. Shout out Allen Villarico. Jack Roa. Ayan, player ng yan, Bad Jumps. Nabuyan ni Calve. Deflected. Andur na naman. For 2 points. Grabe yung depensa ng Sultan's Cafe RX. Na parang nahirapan talaga tong RS Wonder Tech. Calve, what is he gonna do? Hesitates. Tomira. No good. Arnoco. Arnoco pupunta sa ilalim. Deflected by Di Masimpan. Steal. Here comes Calve. Calve. Nakita si Miraato. Miraato with the jumper. No good pa rin. Miraato na naman. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Counts. Sinks that 3 this time. That is what Sultan's Cafe RX need talaga. They need shooters talaga. Ganyan yung nangyari sa kanila when they fought against Bad Jumps. They were having a hard time shooting their threes and shooting on the perimeter. And that's why Bad Jumps took advantage of fouling them, putting them in the free throw line. Out of 20 free throws, men, upat na inisulod. Inaana kang dimalas ang Sultan's Cafe RX nangyagi. So this time, I believe na-realize nila and they will adjust. Meanwhile, ang RS XD Wonder Tech still struggling on the field pa rin. 6 points to 18. And of course, make that 20 points as Miraato makes that layup. So dominant talaga yung Sultan's Cafe RX in this first quarter. Here comes Alcantara, nag-fade away. Uses the board, counted. Iris needs a big adjustment in this ball game. Nakita si Adnan, floater si Adnan. No call there on the referee. Pinasa, bounce pass. Arnoco with a fader. Counted this time for Arnoco. 10 points to 20. Yung talaan ng score natin, mga ka-GBL. No good. Yung tira ni Andur. Here comes Alcantara. Alcantara guarded by Calve. Nag-speed move. Deflected. Stolen by Calve. Calve, anong gagawin ni Calve? Guarded by Balsita. Nakita si Adnan. Stolen by Balsita. Balsita trailing. Pinasa kay Dikere in a much sure and near offense for Dikere. 2 points na naman. So unti-unti ng kumukonti yung kalamangan ng Sultan's Cafe RX. 12 points to 20. Ayan. Miraato answers back with the 2 points, making it a 10-point game. Here comes Balsita, guarded by Adnan. A great matchup. Dikere. Obere, tumira ng 3. No good. Oy! Calve with an easy layup. 2 points by Mr. Calve. Ayan. Wow. Nag-iisa si Balsita doon. I don't know what's happening for RS XD Wonder Tech. Wide open. Arnoco for 3 points. Sayang, hindi pumasok. Straight na straight sana yun. Here comes Andur na naman using his height. Dikere is too short for him. Andur has been huge in contributing scores. Once again, players, dual task sa referee's table, ha? Kung mga yung tawag timeout or substitution, Doon lang tayo sa referee's table. Yan, stolen na naman. Mirato has the ball. Mirato, he will go near. Counted, makes it a much more sure 2 points rather than shooting on a 3-point line. Ayan, of course, Aris and Sultan's Cafe X is gonna have some little adjustments. Sending their players in. Mies and ano yun? Nakalimutan yung isang play. Once again, yes. Nag-spin move si Yes. Nag-step back. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. Too strong. Sayang. Open sana yun. Ang ganda ng pasa. Pero Nacional needs to warm up a little bit. Parang hindi pa uminit si Nacional. Si Makapuli pala. Almost stolen. Dikere has the ball. Dikere. No good. Here comes Mirato. Mirato to... back to Mirato yung bola. 2 points. Easy 2 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 30-12. Grabe. Napakalaki yung kalamangan natin mga ka-GBL. 18-point game. Bang! Good block by Dimasimpan. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Calve. Calve rescues the ball. Nakuha ni Makapudi. No good. Yes. To Aban. Aban. Easy 2 points for Mr. Aban. Here comes Miraato. To Mira. No good. Spin move. Alcantara counted. Wow. Beautiful spin move. And an under layup by Alcantara. Counted. Oops. Substitution ref. Once again, reminding all the players nga diri sa referees table mangayo og substitution and and timeout. Okay? Wow, Alcantara naman gets a rebound and 1 point. Huge for Alcantara there. Pump fakes. Dimasimpan. Tumira, no good. I hope Dimasimpan's eye is fully healed. Wow, nice spin move and yes. Behind the back, sayang, hindi nakuha ni Arnoco. 30 seconds remaining sa atong first quarter. Score, Sultans 30, Ares 18. We are now in a 12-point game. Yan. 20 seconds remaining. Calve, looking for a play. Calling out for a play. Nakita si Palawan sa gitna. Palawan, ginamit yung muscles niya. No good. Here comes Dimasimpan. No good pa rin. Nagmamadali si Alcantara. Alcantara. Oh! Counted! Wow! Ganda ng ginawa ni Alcantara. Back-to-back counted fouls from Mr. Alcantara. Making it a 10-point game. And of course, if Alcantara makes this, he will cut the lead into 9 points. We'll see. With 1.9 seconds remaining. Yan. Will he make it? No good. Okay, I'm quite impressed for Sultan's Cafe RX kasi nag-adjust sila eh. Nag-adjust sila ngayon. Unlike their game against Bajams, wala talaga silang shooter that time. And now, as you can see, Sultan's Cafe RX has been shooting on the field and also on the 3-point line. So it's gonna be good for them because they really need it the most. I think naka-learn gid sila sa ilang game versus Bajams. Grabe to guys. Mga ka-GBL, kung nakakita mo sa ilang dula sa semifinals versus the Bajams, game 3. Kumbaga sa NBA pa, game 7 yun eh. Okay, best of 3 man to siya. So nag-overtime sila, no? Nag-overtime sila, but then Bajams, took the victor pa rin. And of course, right now, this end of quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwet Uy Iligan. We can do it. 30-21, tara ang score natin ngayon in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX. And moments from now, we're going to be starting our second quarter. And of course, shout out tayo sa mga live viewers, Ivy Marish, Endraga, Hil Gale, Anduhan, Indriga, naami diri sa gym. Wow, thank you for inviting sa inyong mga friends diri. Bing Smith Sunyan, Izay, Tagumbol na kayo, Mudula, si Balsita. Pero grabe guys, kasi si Balsita guys, sa una lagi di siya, no? Bata pa ko. Gadula na ni si Balsita. Inana ang longevity sa iyang sa iyang reign as a basketball player, veteran basketball player of Iligan City. Grabe, you have to appreciate that pa rin. He can still run, he can still play against the young players of Iligan City. Kaya pa rin niya makipagsabayan. Wow. Usahay lang ka ng mga players ng mga inana. Okay? Raljen Gian Torres watching from Saray, Canada. Basig Saray, Kanaway siguro ni. Ayan, Jill Gale. Sana all daw ko no. Alin na, Jill Gale. Shout out, Mikoy, I love you. Huy, kinsa man eh. Chill CJ on retap. Paterno. Alright, watching from Robinson's Iligan, Carlo Miguel Nunez Refundo, the brother of yours truly, our commissioner, Junji Refundo. Yan, MVP Jerome Paterno, shout out ko sa akong mama nga gwapa, Miguel Roa, o sa akong papa, Dudong Roa, Dol, and advance happy birthday sa akong papa, April 25. Wow, happy birthday, advance happy birthday to you, sir. And of course, back to the ball game tayo, Andor sa middle. Arabi has the ball, tumira ng 3, no good. Here comes Aban with a big rebound, pinasa kay Nunez. Nunez guarded by Arabe. Nunez hesitates, sa ilalim si Balsita, nabuyan, sayang. Nagmamadali si Palawan, Palawan for 2 points. Of course, sino to? Julbert Apaon, shout out Dol, of course, shout out to you. Otelicor Alibi, yes, thank you for sa pag-mention sa inyong friend. Of course, don't forget to share our live. Maraming salamat. Battling for the ball, Abalsita and Arabe. Referee, whose ball is it? Oy, same ball pa rin. Raymar Hermosa, shout out from Cubayo, Laguna. Idol, legendary Balsita. Ayan, dagang fan si Balsita, no? JM Estalane, shout out kay Ranger Ping o Wilmer na pinang-cute na cameraman. Balsita has the ball, pinasa kay Alcantara. Alcantara nakita. Uy, natapik ni Aldor yun. Alley-oop, no good. Mirato pa rin sa ilalim. Deflected by Aban. Nagmamadali si Alcantara. Uy, deflected. Nakuha ni Aban. Aban versus Palawan. Nag-iisa si Casar. Wide open. Bang! Casar for 3 points. Hindi mo ni Casar ang apelido ni. Kalimut ko sa apelido niya. Sige, apelido niya gani. Andur na naman. From the free throw line, no good. Rebound by Palawan. Back to Andur. Andur goes high. Stolen by Aban. Balsita nag-iisa. Easy layup for Balsita. Wow. Unti-unti nang kumukonti yung kalamangan natin mga ka-GBL. 6-point lead na lang yung Sultan's Cafe X. Yan. Oy! Wrong pass. Buti na lang hindi na shoot ni Arabe. Here comes Balsita. Nagmaylo-maylo, tumira, no good. Gets his rebound, lumapit, nag-drawing yung kabaw, no good pa rin. Palawan with a nice reverse. Lead back to 8 points. Aban, tumira. No good. Big rebound for Andor, pinasa kay Arabe. Arabe nagmamadali, sumalaksak sa ilalim. Wow, counted foul by Mr. Arabe. He will go to the free throw line for a chance to have a 3-point play. Yan, substitution ref. Papasok ulit si Adnan at saka si Dibasinpan. Meanwhile, sa Ares Wonder Tech XD, walang adjustment yung gagawin. Of course, big shout out sa ating official Money Mayweather. Ano? Ang oras daw, ang oras. Ang oras daw, kung ganagan ba? Okay ang time. 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Ay, nangutanan sa oras day. Kaya wala mo nito. Sakto. Sorry. Nangutanan sa time day. Okay, anyways. Andur with the nice right layup. Sige. Wala na sila makita nga time ng scoreboard ay tuod, no? Ato na. Wala yung time. Okay, gets. Humahanap ng kakape, nakita si Nies. Nies, ginamit yung screen ni Alcantara. Wow, sayang yung pasa. Anyways, bawi na lang tayo. 39-26 yung talaan nating score in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX. Arabe, tumira ng 3. No good. Ayan, Nies. Bang! Grabe. Napaka-explosive talaga ni Adnan. A good defense but a better offense by Nies. Counted. So let's find out kung ma-score ba ni Nies ang iyang third point play on the free throw line. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Nies wasn't able to make that shot. Rebound Adnan. Makapudi has the ball. Back to Adnan. Adnan, the high flyer. Ayan, ang drawing of Cabaw. The high flyer of Sultan's Cafe RX, Mr. Adnan, Mr. Explosive. Wow, nice jumper by Mr. Balsita, the veteran of RS Wonder XD. Nagmamanila si Arabe, sumalaksak sa gitna, Alabe, no good. Tinapik ni Andur, but no one was there. Ball goes to RX XD Wonder Tech. Ayan, mga ka-GBL, smile tayo for the drone. Drone shots. Ganyan ang GBL. Ganyan si SideTech Live Prod. Di ba? Exceeding expectation talaga si SideTech Live Prod. Not just making videos, but creating films. Back to the ball game, we have Alcantara. Alcantara, nagmaylo-maylo. Uses the board, counted. Sabi ni Alcantara, ref, call, tawagin mo rin ako ng foul. Here comes Makapudi. Makapudi na mamadali. Bang! Nakakuha po foul si Makapudi. Yan, I can also see Balsita telling the referee, ref, tawagin yun. Tawagan mo naman kami, ref. Pero guys, sometimes kasi, not all the time na makita sa referee ang mga fouls natin. Kay dagko kayo mga players, guys. Matabunan ng ilang mga contacts, di ba? Ang mga body contact, matabunan silang mga lawas. Of course, lahi-lahi na pong angles ang makita ang referee. Right? So we have Casar, number 25, dribbling the ball, guarded by Arabe to Alcantara. Pinasa kay Balsita. Balsita, kidrop pass kay sayang din ang shot. Back to Balsita na naman. The scuffle. Why? Hiwi na kayang pase ni Balsita. Substitution rep. 4 minutes and 27 seconds remaining for our second quarter. 44-32 in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX pa rin. Sa ilalim, Atuanan, ang ganda ng pasa. The connection between Dimasimpan and Andan. Beautiful pass and a great timing, which result to a 2 points for Sultan's Cafe RX. Grabe yung depensa pinakita niya, no? Andan doon. After siya nakascore. After siya nakascore of 2 points. Almost got a steal. Nag-spin move si Alcantara. Alcantara, nakita si Balsita. Balsita tumira. Use the board, too strong. Andur has the rebound. Nakuha ni Nies. Nies, nagmamadali. La. What happened there? What happened there? Mukhang na ano yan. Mukhang nagsunggo si Jensen eh. Sunggo ba? Wow, wow, wow. I hope Aban is doing okay. Yeah, Aban is okay, thankfully. We don't want to see players injured in this ball game. Ganyan talaga yan mga GBL. Of course, this is the fighting for third. Playing 20,000 pesos on the line. Kaya expected natin nga crucial talaga at physical yung laro natin ngayon. Once again mga GBL, since wala na tayong makita sa ating scoreboard, we have 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. And of course, this timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy Iligan. We can do it. Gusto po na ko i-shoutout at ang Philippine National Police. Thank you so much mga sir for being with us right now, for ensuring us our security in this ball game. And of course, CDRRMO, sila talaga yung responsible sa atong safety ng mga players. Mga first arrest backers natin. CDRMO, shout out to you. Ayan. All right, Di Kerry has the rebound. 5 to shoot. Yes. Ayan, ano na? Shot clock violation. Shout out Gales from Suarez. Mr. Jim Limbago. Shout out boss watching from UK. Wow, Mamad's God. Watching from UK. Oh, natay watchers from UK, ha? Di Kere, no good. Alcantara. Nakakuha ng foul si Mr. Alcantara. Grabe talaga, intimidating talaga yung depensa ni Adnan. Mahilig talaga niya, mahilig siya mo contest. Mahilig siya mo contest of mga shots. Having Ares, making them having a hard time to shoot those layups. Yan, kitang-kita natin na mataas yung percentage ng free throw ni Alcantara. So, it's very effective for him to attack the rim. Makes the 2 free throws for Mr. Alcantara. Nice crossover by Arabe. Pinasa kay Adnan. Here comes Makapudi. Calve. Pump fakes. Wow! Ganda ng ball movement. Great teamwork of Sultan's Cafe RX. Arabe for 2 points in that ball play. Grabe talaga si Alcantara, doing it all for Ares Iligan XT. Abad looking for an open man. Balsita, nakita si Dekere. Dekere, bang! Way downtown, Mr. Dekere sinks the 3 points. Makapudi wasn't able to get that ball. Bola, Ares, XD, WonderTech. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 16 seconds for our second quarter. 48-37 yung katalaan ng score natin in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX. Aban. Nakita si Alcantara. Balsita this time sa kilid, no good. Wow, the ball went to the hands of Makapudi and pinasa kay Arabe. Mukhang nagmahay si Alcantara sa iyang pagtapik sa bola. Was able to see that the ball was going to Makapudi. Nies has the ball. Looking for open man. Nakita si Dikere. Was able to catch that ball. Arabe na naman. Arabe against Nies. Ay, nakakuha ng foul. Pero Arabe wasn't able to make that shot, which leads him to shoot 2 free throws in the free throw line. Yan, so tingnan natin kung may adjustment ba yung Sultans Cafe RX on their free throws. Kaya the last game, grabe, gimalas din sila silang free throws against Bad Jams. Out of 20 free throws, mga ka-GBL, upat try ni Sulod. Grabe. Grabe itong dula. Is this a weakness for Sultans Cafe RX? We'll find out. Ayun na naman. Hindi pumasok yung dalawang yung free throw ni Arabe. It's very fortunate for them. Here comes Oberes. Oberes sizing up. Uy! Nakita si Aban. Aban to Balsita. Balsita sumalaksak. Deflected. Arabe. Wide open. Easy layup. Nag-iisa. Mr. Arabe for 2 points. Meanwhile, itong Sultans Cafe RX, pag maka-atake po sa rim po, di po basta-basta. 56 seconds remaining. Deflected. Same ball pa rin. 54 seconds remaining sa itong second quarter.
14 to shoot, shut up.
Shot clock, 14 to shoot. Dikere with a quick three. No good. Tinapik yung bola. Wow! Nag-iisa na naman si Makapudi. Ganda talaga ng fast break plays ng Sultans Cafe RX. It looks like RS Iligan is unable to catch up all the time. What is happening, RS XD Wondertech? Aban with a fader uses the board. Counted for Mr. Aban. 25 seconds remaining sa atong second quarter. Long pass to Mr. Calve. Mr. Calve, what is he gonna do? Mr. Calve, sumalaksak. Got it by Aban. Here comes Makapudi for 3 points. No good. Alcantara, 10 seconds remaining. Alcantara, pinasa kay Balsita. Uses the board. Counted. 2, 1. Ayan, no good. 54. Yeah. 54-41 in favor of Sultans Cafe RX. Of course, mga ka-GBL sa atong halftime, natin padula, no? Natin padula sa atong live viewers dito sa Barangay Suarez Gymnasium. Natin padula, no? Isa kay galisod kog naog. All right, mga ka-GBL. Manginalan ko mga players sa tunga. Players sa tunga, anyone, bisag kinsa, babae, lalaki, pwede. Mag half court shot na. Mga ka-GBL, let's go. Half court shot tayo mga ka-GBL. Wala. Players sa tunga, player, hey, let's go. Let's go. Oh, natin 5 minutes ha. Wala na. Anyone can join, okay? Anyone can join. Okay, anyone can join, ha? Bisag kinsa. I'm gonna get 2 winners, okay? 2 ka winners. So, let's go! Ala ka! Oy, hapit! Hapit! Basig maigo ang electric fan, ha? Lahi po na ihaw. Uy! Short. Ay, hapit. Short lang. Murag delikado mo murag malangan mo tani. 4 minutes, okay? Ayay! Sige. Magkuha kog 2 ka winners, ha? 2 ka winners. The winners will be given merchandise from 4J Sports Activewear. Isa lang o 2? Ah, wow. Gift certificate din siya. Nice. So ang winners, makadaog og gift certificate from Tita Fanes, okay? Alright. Palayon. Faster tayo. Let's go. Oy! Malabo. Malabo talaga, no? Malabo. Mura galisod sila, galisod eh. Oh, dol, dol. Dire. Ale, dol. Dire. Oh, dire. Hey, hapit. Oh, 3 minutes na lang, 3 minutes. Nako. Dugaya ni Mahuman, oy. Way! Counted. Of course, sir. Okay. Of course, sir. Dili sa ka. Puno sa dia, ha? Puno sa dia, dia sa ka. Wait lang ha. Dito. Ang camera, bantay ang camera, ha? Anong palayo man nga naman ring linya, oh? La. Dili. Ay, grabe, hapit, oh. Let's go. Why? Sorry. Ale. Maayo kay wata ka po 5 minutes. Ale. Once again, this gift certificate is brought to you by 4J Sports Activewear. Maraming salamat for joining. Of course, brought to you by Sir Jeff. Thank you so much. And first, Bay, usi pangalan mo, Bay?
John Kabibil. Marjon.
Okay, congratulations yun nandun. Kung basig na may gusto, i-shoutout and of course, pasalamatin ninyo si 4J Sports Activewear. Guys, kung na may gusto i-shoutout, i-shoutout po din mo i-shoutout ka rin, okay?
Shoutout kong Burdot.
Mga porto?
Shoutout sa akong kuya.
Alright, once again, congratulations sa inyong duha. Namoy gift certificate of, one piece lechon manok from Tita Fanis brought to you by 4G Sports Activewear. Sir, pictures na ta. Siyas to nga. Alright, congratulations! Once again, thank you so much 4J Sports Activewear. Grabe kainit ang laban. Labaw pa rin ang Sultans Cafe X, showing their dominance and adjustments sa ilang kontra sa Bajams. And of course, moments from now, we're going to be witnessing the first ever GBL Season 1 battle for third place in third quarter. Okay? So GBL once again, GBL, it's game time! Mahadlo ko bitaw, magtikang-tikang ba kay basig mga hugmak bitaw. Suda ning bugat kay tao eh. Makasala ta ba? Actually, na-impress ko sa itong mga players, sa itong mga kalahok, you know? Kaya ang uban man good. Nahulot na lang 5 minutes, wag po yung makashot, bisag na nasa free throw line. So, daghan yung maayo yung dula din sa Suarez, no? Here comes Alcantara. Sabi ni Alcantara, ref, walang foul doon? Sabi ni Alcantara, ref, asa man mo? There's no foul there? Alcantara was clearly, and look at Andor. Look at Andor, he's laughing. Sige, tinod pangalan na niya gani. Kalimot ko. Alcantara uses the board. 2 points for Mr. Alcantara. Naiwanan si Aban. Wow, nice. Miraato for 2 points. Beautiful jumper for Miraato. Not a problem at all. Alright, here comes Dikere. Tumira ng 3. No good pa rin yung tira ni Dikere. Big rebound by Casal. Ayan, napalakan ni Dimasimpan. Kasar, nakita si Aban. Friendly roll by Mr. Aban for 2 points. Nagmamadali. Palawan, nag-iisa. Easy layup for Mr. Palawan. Counted mo na yan. 60 points to 45. We are a 15-point ball game in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX. Ayan, same ball pa rin. Once again, mga ka-GBL, just wanted to announce and to remind everybody that the next will be the awarding night for GBL Season 1. Nagmamadali si Arnoco. Nakuha ni Andor. Sabi ni Arnoco, ref, walang foul doon. Palawan with a nice flush for 2 points, Mr. Palawan. Kasar na naman. Looking for an open man. Nakita si wide open. Arnoco, tumira ng 3. Short pa rin. Parang minamalas yung dalawang team on the 3-point line. Nice pass. Pero nag-hesitate si ano doon. Si Palawan. Palawan na naman. Buti na nakita niya yun. Wow! Grabe yung reflex ni Palawan doon. His eyes was clearly not on the ball on that play. Pero nasalog po niya. Alcantara to Arnoco. Tumira ng 3 na naman. Arnoco, back-to-back miss for Mr. Arnoco. But of course, ayaw ka discourage. Time out. Once again players. Just to remind the players, dool mo sa referee's table ha. Kung gusto mo matawag og timeout, substitution, dool ta sa referee's table, okay? By the way, gusto na ko i-shout out ang equipment diri sa Suarez Gymnasium. Grabe ka gwapo silang speaker, no? Gwapo kay silang speaker. Wala mo ka-chika diri gori, wala si Juan Jervin Halili. Pero bay, I have to appreciate the gymnasium of Suarez talaga. Limpyo kayo, hayag, and naida ko kay nga aircon, grabe. Shout out talaga, Barangay Suarez. You've done a great job sa inyong gym. Keep it up. Of course, smile for the camera. Smile for the camera sa drone na to diha. Yan. Smile, ipagawas yung mga smile. Brought to you by SciTech Live Prod. Back to the ballgame tayo mga ka-GBL. Dikere. To Arnoco. Arnoco na naman. Finding his rhythm. No good pa rin. Andor. Nag-coast to coast si Andor. Yes. Adnan, back to Andor. Natapik. Adnan gets it back. Mirato, tumira ng 3. No good pa rin. Arnoco. Fast break to Nies. Wasn't able to get that fast break. Mirato na naman has the ball. Mirato to Andor. Andor, pinasa kay Simpan. Back to Mirato. Yung ball movement. Sayang, na-deflect lang. Stolen. Here comes Alcantara. Alcantara sizing up the defense. Nakita si Balsita sa ilalim. Back to Alcantara. Alcantara for 2 points and a foul. Mr. Alcantara. Grabe, Alcantara trying really his best to put his team on his back to win this ball game. Parang third time or fourth time nata ni Alcantara nag-counted foul. Ayan, Alcantara has a very high percentage dun sa free throw line. Ayan, I can really see that Andor is also tired kaya wala siya substitute as a center. Wala dyan si Mr. Kapangpangan. Mirato meanwhile, tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by Alcantara naman. Alcantara nagmamadali. Let's see what he's gonna do. Sumalaksak sa ilalim. Alcantara, no good. Op! May nakitang foul si referee, Mr. Hinapay. Long pass to Andor. Op! Nakuha ni Alcantara. Balsita has the ball. Balsita. Op! Nagmalara Rajan Rondo si Balsita. Pinasa kay Arnoco. Arnoco looking for an open man. Wide open Dikere. Tumira ng 3. Napaka-straight. No good. Sayang lang. Calbe too strong. The pass of Andor is too strong. Calbe wasn't able to get that pass. Sabi ng Andor, I apologize. Too strong. Andor showing positivity doon sa team niya. 66-48 yung kalamangan ng ating yung talaan nating score. Here comes ano na naman, Sultan's Cafe RX with a steal and a conversion for 2 points. We are now on a 20-point lead. Grabe yung dominance pinakita ng Sultan's Cafe RX. Here comes Andor trolling Mr. Alcantara. No good na naman yung tira. Minamalas talaga. But good thing, Alcantara is doon sa ilalim, kumukuha ng offensive rebound. Wow, Adnan! With a floater. 2 points for Mr. Adnan. Minamalas talaga yung natin, yung RS XD WonderTech, especially doon sa 3-point line. They're struggling to make that shot on the free throw line. They haven't made any 3 points ever since the third quarter start. Ito na naman. Here comes Calbe. 2 against 1. Miraato. No good. Nakuha ni Arnoco. Arnoco nakita si Nies. Nies sumalaksak. Nakita si Alcantara. Almost lost the ball. Alcantara nag-post up against ni Masimpan. Nag-fade away. Wow! Napalakan ni Masimpan. Grabe. But still, Alcantara gets his own rebound. No good pa rin yung tira ni Riquere. Grabe kamalas, mga ka-GBL. Gidi malas gyud og ayo. Oy, substitution no ref. Gidi malas gyud ang mga tira sa RS XD WonderTech. They have been poor on their field goals ever since this third quarter start. Gamay na tatong labaw, pero karon the lead has stretched to 20 points. 70-50 ang kalamangan, ang talaan ng score natin ngayon in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX. 20-point lead. Grabe, here comes Arabe. Tumira ng 3. No good pa rin. Andor. Nako yung rebound. Pinasa kay Calbe. Calbe trying to calm the team up. Calbe sizing up. Nakita stolen by Alcantara. Alcantara really doing it all for RS XD WonderTech. Sumalaksak. Nakita si Balsita. Balsita, what is he gonna do? Pinasa kay Oberes. Oberes, tumera. Counted! Ayan. Ito na si Oberes. Sabi ni Oberes, sugod nilisod na. Ayan, nakatunog og tae si Kwan. Si Adnan. Sabi ni Oberes, bay, kalma lang, bay. We got this, bro. We got this. Grabe no, Oberes, the team owner / effective point guard of RS WonderTech XD. Ito na naman. Oberes na naman looking for an open man. Nangayog screen. Oberes, tumira, wide open. No good. Wow, behind the back pass. Arabe, nag-iisa. 2 points. I think, hindi talaga makuha ng RS WonderTech yung fast break ng Sultan's Cafe RX. Someone needs to sacrifice offense just to go back for defense. That is what RS should do. Nobody is running it back sa ilang fast break talaga. 2 strong pass. Turnover for Sultan's Cafe RX. Ang cost ng kalamangan ng Sultan's Cafe RX is fast break talaga. So, someone in the RS team should sacrifice the offense and go back to get that offense, to run it back and get that fast break sa Sultan's Cafe RX. Murag ipangkapoy na po ang mga players sa sa RS kay syempre wala kayo sila substitution. Same with same with Sultan's Cafe RX, Andor. Klaro na kayong gihangak na si Andor kay wala si Nasnor Kapangpangan. Pero good thing naman nga nandyan si Di Masimpan, no? Once again, this time out is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy. Iligan, we can do it. Of course, shout out tayo kay Adnin Marianel, Jessie Marie, Dagpin, Maring. Wow. Thank you sa pag-mention sa mong friend. AJ Gonzalez, ahaman si Mario Chalmers. Angela Manglangit Araneta, shout out po sa tanan from Barangay Akmak. Charm Apple Petalio, shout out. Idol Alcantara, maayo kay mo shoot. Yes, of course. Kana si Alcantara guys, noted na siya na commercial player sa Lanao del Norte. Raymar Hermosa, Rene Coniendo, Talpak na boss, gwapo kayo. Shy Gilgius Alexander. Lo, naman si Shy Gilgius Alexander din eh. Muna mag-ball club ang kalaban sa mga ka-GBL. Well, ano guys, dili po tayo makasaway no, sa players kay naman ganyan mga bad days and good days. Of course, kaning RS 1XD WonderTech, grabe po nilang mga highlights ng miyagi, no? Mura ni sila nahulog og Cinderella story. Kay taga-Kono na biyang tani sila. Pero instead, they made their way up sa fighting for third competition. Okay? So, dili ka basta-basta, no? We all have our bad days. Ganyan talaga yan. It's not all the time na peak yung performance natin. Meanwhile, Arabi almost lost the ball. Gets his own error and puts it back in the rim for 2 points. Here comes Sultan's Cafe RX na naman with a steal and a conversion. Grabe. Alcantara. Pinasa kay Casar. Wide open. Bang! Counted. They need more plays like that. Nagmamadali. No good. Beautiful rebound. A hustle play by Mr. Arabe. Arabe, nakita si Adnan. Looks to me na nag-relax na yung nag-relax yung Sultan's Cafe RX. Pinapatay yung oras. Arabi na naman, no good. Sa free throw, sa 3 points niya. Too strong pass for Mr. Aban. Calbe, nakita si Adnan. Looking for an open teammate. Nice deflection. Sayang lang hindi nakuha ni Aban. Di masimpan, tumira ng 3. He is not a noted shooter. Arabi with a nice pump fake. Wow, no good pa rin. Allah. Here comes Alcantara. Nagmamadali. Tubalsita, pump fakes. Bang! Great block by Di Masimpan. What are they gonna do? Tumira ng 3. Grabe. That is all the time they need since no one was there for Team Ares. Alcantara, tumira ng 3. No good. All right, we are now entering our 4th quarter in this ball game. (80-61), 19-point lead in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX. Grabe yung dominance pinakita ng Sultan's Cafe RX. Mostly sa ilang labaw is caused by fast break talaga. So what does this mean? Wala ba yung makabalik og depensa sa Ares XD WonderTech? Someone needs to sacrifice offense talaga and get that chase down for Ares. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Another steal na naman by Sultan's Cafe RX. Arnoco, pinasa kay Oberes, nag-step back, tumira. Agay, nothing but board. One-hander by Mr. Casar. Kani si Mr. Casar, shooter po siya 3 points. So Ares needs to bring that out. Hesitates there for Mr. Arabe. Sumalaksak sa gitna. The muscle man of Sultan's Cafe RX, Mr. Palawan, contributing 2 points for his team. Napakataas ng kalamangan natin ngayon. With a great crossover by Arnoco. Arnoco, pinasa sa labas. No good pa rin. Grabe. Si Casar pa lang ang nakashot of 3 points sa ila so far. Nakuha ni Makapudi. Highlight reel. Grabe. Di pasapasahan ng bola sa ilalom. Here comes Oberes. Double team. Buti na lang napasa niya yung bola. Arnoco. Wide open. Bang! Sa wakas, pumasok na rin yung tira ni Arnoco on the 3-point line. Makapudi with a nice fake. Oh, no good. Big rebound by Limasin Pan. Pero nakakuha ng foul. Grabe, men. Parang wala akong nakitang box out doon eh. They need to have that box out. You know? Hustle plays to get that ball. To be able to catch up in this 18-point lead. Arnoco na naman. Nag-hesitate, nag-step back, tumira ng tres. Finding his rhythm, Mr. Arnoco for 3 points. Back to back. That is huge for Ares, Wonder Tech. Wow, wide open. Walang tao dun sa gitna. What happened, Ares XD? Oberes looking for an open man. Nakita si Arnoco. Arnoco once again will shoot, finding his rhythm. No good. Rebound by Arabe. Arabe dodging defense. Tumira. Oh, no good. Oy, natapik. Natapik ni Palawan. Makapudi will shoot his 3 too. Bang! Makapudi fires back. 3-point shot for Mr. Makapudi. Making it a 20-point lead for Sultan's Cafe RX. Oop! Ay, no good. Buti na lang andyan si, Mr. Alcantara. Makapudi, wide open. Bang! Back-to-back 3 for Mr. Makapudi. Naramanining si Mr. Makapudi day. He should be shooting lots of threes. Okay, the time remaining is 6 minutes and 50 seconds for our fourth quarter. Makapudi na naman, finding his rhythm. Bang! Grabe! Nagmana Steph Curry si Mr. Makapudi. Arnoco fires back! Grabing balas-balos! Wow! Karoon pa ng gawa sa ilang mga firepowers. Andor, no one can stop him from the under the rim. Taas na kayo si Mr. Andor. Dikere, tumira ng 3. Bang! Grabe, nganong karon pa mana? Nganong karon pa mana? Is Sultan's gonna fire back? Palawan says no. I'm gonna go shoot it on the layup. No good. Mr. Dikere has the rebound. Oop! Lost the ball. Makapudi with a nice step back. Tumira ng 3. Oy! No good this time for Mr. Makapudi. Here comes Mr. Alcantara. Arnoco. Wide open 3. No good. Nakuha ni Oberes. Arnoco na naman. Will shoot his attempt. No good pa rin. Here comes Makapudi. Pinas kay Arabe. Arabe. Umatake sa ring. Counted. Andor notices ka nagtawag og timeout yung player sa sa Ares. And he was like, ref, nagtawag og timeout to. Ay nata Andor, gusto na ka magpahuway. Gusto rin niya magpahuway sa Andor, klaro kayo. Of course guys, water break muna tayo. Big shout out sa GBL, official rehydration partner, Amlan Purified Water. Gilbert Texron Sarsaba. Shoutout po, Happy Wheels 9200. Carl Magsayo, pa-shoutout po from Santa Filomena, Purok Palmera. Gilbert Texron Sabsana, hello Kuya Mikoy, pa-shoutout po, Happy Wheels 9200. Jay On Il, shoutout ko nilang Wilmer Federal, Paulo Macaling, Rogin Maravillas, Burulon, mga buutan ng mga silingan, New Buda. Okay. Utilicor Ilabe. Luther Swan. Pre. Oh, yan pre na ko no. Pa-shoutout po. Happy Wheels 9200. Ayan. Okay, wala ko ikuan rin screen. Wala ko yung screen record, guys. I cannot announce the time. Here comes Oberes na naman. Oy! Naigo siyang tiil. Which lead to a turnover. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Miraato, counted. Here comes Dikiri. Tumira ng 3. No good. Dikiri naman kasi on rebound. Ayay! Nasipyat si Dikiri. Bueno to the hands of Miraato. Calve. Tumira. Counted. Here comes Oberes. Parang nagpakita na ng Parang lumalaylay na yung RS Wonder XD. Is this a surrender? Here comes Balsita. Looks to me na wala na kayo nag-effort sa defensive end. Ang Sultans Cafe RX. Parang confident na sila na they won this ball game already. Mataas pa naman yung oras. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter. Anything can happen. Ayan, as you can see. Nagtatawanan na lang sila. Looks to me that Aris has already accepted na they are the fourth place of the GBL Season 1. Pero guys, once again, hindi pa tapos yung laban, okay? Once again, might as well see some highlight reel. Highlight reel tayo. Oberes, hansak, hansak! Ayan. Ayan, parang na. Sabi ni Palawan, chill na tayo, chill na tayo. Ito na. Is this a concede? Nag-concede na ba? It shows that RS XD WonderTech has already given up. With 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Here comes Miraato. Wow! Highlight reel. Sayang. Di Masimpan wasn't able to make that dunk. Ayan. We can see that Sultans is not engaging on defense anymore. Very confident that they have this game. 30-point lead kasi sila. Here comes Calve. Tumira. No good. Alright. Once again mga ka-GBL, after this ball game, we are gonna have an awarding. May awarding tayo mga ka-GBL. Most defensive player of the season. Season MVP. Mythical 5. And of course, your most awaited event, Bajams Basketball versus Rayela Trabunco Finals Game 1.
Paingon man trophy. Okay. Sige na, sige na.
Okay, once again, Ares, after this ball game and Sultans. Lalala. Hey! Na-short si Di Masimpan. O players ha, dili sa panguli after this ball game ha, kay napatay awarding. Si Di Masimpan, he is nominee for defensive player of the season. Alcantara. Oy, sa mali. Seconds to play. Alala! Rep! Technical! Referee, oy! Technical ka, technical! Out of the ball game! Bugoy gini si referee gini. Mga pinakasikat ka referee, pinakasasaw ka referee ito. Okay, once again mga ka-GBL. Sultans Cafe RX is your GBL Season 1 third place. Ayan, so nag-concede na yung RS XD WonderTech. May time pa tayo. May time remaining pa, pero nag-concede na sila. Okay, moments from now, we're gonna have our awarding. Awarding tayo sa ating mga Players Award. And after that, we will be starting our finals. GBL Season 1 Finals between Rayera Trabunco versus Bajams Basketball. Right? Ready na ba kayo mga GBL? GBL, what time is it? It's game time! 111-89. A dominant performance of Sultan's Cafe RX. Pag-games na, pag-games. Ah, wow, okay. Ate, pag-games daw. Oh, pag-games na, pag-games. Mga babae na sad, ha? Namin mga babae? Free throw, mga babae. Congrats. Shooter man tayo ng bata, oh? Huwag pa kayo tirag test ng ano nyo? Sa bad jumps? Congrats. Alright, magpagdula na punta, ha? This time, mga babae na po natin ipadula, ha? Free throw. Mga babae na sad. Ale. Free throw, okay? Ladies, it's your time to shine.